Hi guys, it's Red. Today we're going to talk about dictionary, an unordered collection of key value pairs. Let's get started. Lesson 13 hyphen dictionary.py. Lessons equals curly brackets quotation mark lesson 01 quotation mark column quotation mark string quotation mark comma quotation mark lesson 02 quotation mark column quotation mark variable quotation mark and print it. Print parenthesis type parenthesis lessons comma lessons and run it. As you can see, is a dict type. We created a dictionary of two keys and two values. The keys are lesson 01 and lesson 02. The values are string and variable. Print parenthesis lessons square brackets quotation mark lesson 01 and run it. As you can see, in the dictionary you get the values using the keys, which is why a key must be unique. You can also print all the keys and all the values. Let's do it. Print parenthesis lessons dot keys parenthesis new line print parenthesis lessons dot values parenthesis and run it. The keys and the values. Now let's add a new pair. Lessons square brackets quotation mark lesson 03 quotation mark close the square bracket equals quotation mark integer new line print lessons and run it. And the new pair has been added. Now let's iterate through the dictionary. For key in lessons column new line print parenthesis quotation mark key equals quotation mark comma key comma quotation mark space value equals quotation mark comma lessons square bracket key and run it. So a dictionary is as iterable as a string, as a list. Now let's try to delete a pair. Del lessons square brackets quotation mark lesson 03 and print it. For I in range parenthesis len parenthesis lessons column new line print parenthesis list parenthesis lesson dot values parenthesis close the parenthesis square brackets I and run it. As you can see, in this way you printed just the values. Now let's recap. Lesson 13 hyphen dictionary. We learn about dictionary. We learn about keys, values, and we learn about the list function. For this lesson it's enough. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.